your crypto compass. Candlestick charts. Hey, crypto world. Today's topic, candlestick indicators. So smash the like button and subscribe for more on crypto. Ever felt lost in the wild world of crypto trading, unsure of where to go next? Don't worry, we've all been there. That's why you need a trusty compass to guide you, and that's where candlestick charts come in. Think of candlestick charts as your personal crypto GPS, showing you the market's twists and turns. They're like treasure maps, revealing hidden patterns and signals that can lead you to crypto gold. Okay, maybe not actual gold, but you get the idea, profits. These charts might look intimidating at first, but trust me, they're not as complicated as they seem. Once you understand the basics, you'll be reading them like a pro in no time. So buckle up, grab your explorer hats, and let's dive into the fascinating world of candlestick charts. Cracking the candlestick code, body, wicks, and all that jazz. Alright, let's break down these candlestick charts into bite-sized pieces. Each candlestick tells a story about the price action during a specific time frame. Think of it like a daily diary entry for a particular cryptocurrency. The body of the candlestick is the big rectangle in the middle. It shows you the opening and closing prices for that period. A long body usually means strong price movement, while a short body indicates indecision. Then, we have the wicks, those thin lines sticking out from the body. They represent the highest and lowest prices touched during that time. Long wicks can signal rejection at those levels, like someone trying to push open a door but getting pushed back. Green means go, red means whoa, the color code of crypto. Now let's talk about colors. In the world of candlestick charts, green usually means bullish. The price went up during that period. It's like a green light, signaling a potential buying opportunity. Red, on the other hand, usually indicates a bearish sentiment, the price went down. Think of it as a red light warning you to proceed with caution. Remember, these are just general interpretations. The context of the overall market trend is crucial. Section 4, Candlestick Tails Spotting Stories in the Charts. Here's where things get really exciting. Candlesticks often form patterns that tell us stories about potential future price movements. It's like those connect-the-dots puzzles, but instead of a cute animal, you get insights into market trends. For example, a hammer candlestick looks like, well, a hammer. It has a small body and a long lower wick, suggesting that sellers tried to push the price down, but buyers came in strong and drove it back up. Another common pattern is the engulfing pattern, where one candlestick completely engulfs the previous one. This can signal a potential trend reversal, like a wave crashing over another and changing the direction of the current. And then we have the doji, a candlestick with a tiny body and wicks of almost equal length. It's like the market is saying, I'm not sure which way to go. Dojis often indicate indecision or a potential turning point. Section 5. Chart your course to crypto success. Mastering candlestick charts is like having a superpower in the crypto world. It allows you to identify trends, anticipate potential reversals, and make more informed trading decisions. Remember, candlestick charts are not crystal balls, but they are powerful tools that can significantly improve your trading game. So keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop exploring the exciting world of crypto with your trusty candlestick compass.